Hello everyone. Today is a really simple tutorial on how to populate your database with the Faker gem, which is really useful, very quick, and sometimes it can even be fun. So stay with me guys, because it's only going to take a few minutes. It's really quick. The first thing you need to do is install the gem in your gem file. So you just put gem faker. I put the link in the bio for the GitHub repo. And then you run bundle install. I already have it. So for this tutorial, I already created a model, scaffolded, which takes a few attributes. So it's a car model. It has the make, model, transmission, and fuel type. So let's start the server. Cool. It takes some time as it's the first time. So there we go, we have everything. We're not going to put anything manually. We'll go directly in the seed and start our loop to fill up the database. So require faker. We're going to run the loop 100 times, and every time the loop runs, we want it to execute whatever goes inside that block. But I'm sure you all know how we run loops. So we will create a new instance and assign it to a post variable. Sorry, I'm so used to making posts, but actually it's a car. So we create the new instance. So this car, let's open the schema, takes make, model, transmission, and fuel type. Okay, so what we want now is every time the loop runs, we fill it with something different. This something different is going to be generated by Faker and is going to be random. So this gem is really interesting. What it has, so if you go in the repo, you can see that it has many different categories. One of them being vehicle. So you can find for any other type of projects you're making. In this case, we're going to go directly to vehicle, and we see what we can call on vehicle. So there is a make, there is a model, there is even make of model, which we are actually going to use now. So let's take the make first, and let's assign it to a variable when we run the loop. I think it's cleaner like this for this one. So the make is equal to the make. However, the model is going to be equal to the make of model, and here we're just going to call the variable that contains the value that was generated the time this loop runs. So it's going to change 100 times, therefore it's dynamic. Every model is going to belong to its make. It's more realistic. So then we need the transmission. Forgot to copy transmission. And at last, the fuel type. And there we are. That's literally it. Well, not later. The last thing we need to do, of course, is to save the changes inside of the database, and we can try it out. So what we need to run is simply rate db seed, and it did not work. So so yeah, okay, my bad guys. Actually, there's a typo here. Let's run the command one more time. Third one's the good one. And that should be it actually. So we can go have a look. Let's run the server, of course. It would be better. And there we go. So you can have a look at the data. You can see that each model is actually a model that belongs to the brand, right? Because we created this variable and assigned it as the parameter in here. So you can see BMW M5, S5 is an Audi. What else? X5 BMW, Ford Fiesta, etc., etc. And that's it. There you go. You can fill up any of your projects in just a few seconds. Thank you for checking this video, and I'm actually gonna make another one on how to fill your database with APIs. So stay tuned. Bye bye.